Right, so having a look at something really special, and what we've got here is one of the probably many shelters. So not quite sure what sort of shelter it is until we go inside, but got a light here, so just gonna bit of a slip up. Wow, right, so what we're looking at here is a Stanton shelter. Okay, now just like the shelters that were actually on Perranporth Airfield, and you can see you've got the prefab concrete ribs. It's really good actually, it's in good condition, and wow, this is amazing. This is just brilliant, and this is just, now just like to thank the owners of the land, because obviously, you know, for letting us come in and have a look, because this is just brilliant. But not going to be revealing any locations or anything. So, but we've got towards the end. Now I've been told they've just cleaned it out recently, which is amazing. And yeah, what we're looking at here is the escape hatch, which is just brilliant. Wow, look at that. Now there would have been a steel ladder here coming straight down, it would have been fixed, and also a hatch on the top. So obviously an escape hatch, because if the shelter was damaged at all or the main entrance to it blocked, then that would have been the only way out. And still got from outside, it's got its original earth bund as well, which is great. And we're looking around at this, it's just brilliant. Bit damp, but it's to be expected. But wow is all I can say. Wow. But no, so definitely an important bit of history anyway, very rare. So now the Stanton shelter, Stanton was obviously the name of the chap that designed it, and Stanton shelters were literally used on just about every RAF or wartime airfield in England, and consisted of prefabricated sections that were bolted together. You see, you've got original bolts there, got 70-year-old bolts, and it was all bolted together, and then it was buried with earth. And you can see on the outside here, this is the entrance to it coming up, look. Brilliant, it's in such good condition. It's amazing. And just a real privilege to see this. It's amazing. And wow, what a find, brilliant. So there's a couple of other things we're going to have a look at outside as well. So we'll move outside a moment. And wow, that is amazing. Yeah. So just walking across to this other interesting old building. So you've got a plinth here for an original wartime building of some sort. Now I think the next thing we're going to look at, the owner told me it was an ablutions block, which is the correct RAF terminology for it. So got an old ablutions block, which is brilliant. Wow, looks like we've got some corrugated asbestos roof, and classic Air Ministry design as well. buildings were similar, prefab buildings. And wow, we can actually go inside this. Brilliant. It's a woodshed. That's absolutely amazing. Wow, we've got World War II light fitting. It's just incredible. Yeah, looks like the standard bayonet fitting there, which is just brilliant. And good to see it's in use, and obviously on private land, so it's going to be looked after, which is brilliant. And best thing that could have happened to it. And I'll have a walk out the back door a moment. And wow, obviously for exit, well, as it was an ablutions block, I would say that there would be, you know, toilets and sinks in here, so that's probably could be a breather for the toilet pipe or sewer pipe, but it's just incredible. The vents all original, and been a bit of necessary repairs being done here as well, which is great. But yeah, original corrugated asbestos roof. That's yeah, original, well, more than 70 years old, I would say, which is just amazing. So just have a quick look around it from the outside, and some rather interesting bricked up windows, which is great. She's just brilliant. It's a pleasure to see it. Excellent. So just one last look at it, which is just excellent. Great, well, thanks for watching, and truly a rare find, and please like and subscribe, and see you soon.